Hey Tina, did you hear that we have a new teacher today?
Really? That's cool. I wonder what subject they'll teach.
I'm not sure, but I hope they're nice. Our last teacher was so boring.
Yeah, I agree. I hope this one is more fun and makes the class interesting.
Me too. It's hard to pay attention when the class is dull.
Exactly. Let's give the new teacher a chance though. Maybe they'll surprise us.
You're right. We shouldn't judge them before we even meet them.
I hope they're good at explaining things. I sometimes struggle with certain subjects.
Don't worry, Tina. If you ever need help, I'll be there for you.
Thanks, Anik. You're a great friend.
And so are you, Tina. We'll get through this together. Let's go home and we will meet the new teacher, the next class.
Hi Anik, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am fine. Alright, let's head to class and see what this new teacher is like.
Agreed, let's go. Fingers crossed for a good teacher this time. Oh, there they are, the new teacher.
They seem friendly. I like their smile. Yeah, that's a good sign. I hope they're approachable too.
Good morning, students. I'm Miss Johnson, your new teacher.
Good morning, Ms. Johnson. I'm Tina, and this is Anik.
Hello, nice to meet you, Ms. Johnson.
It's a pleasure to meet both of you. I'm excited to be your teacher this year.
We're excited too. What subject will you be teaching us?
I'll be teaching you English and social studies.
That sounds interesting. We had different teachers for those subjects last year.
Well, I'll do my best to make the classes engaging and enjoyable for you.
That's great to hear. We had a bit of a hard time staying focused in the past.
Don't worry, Tina. We'll make learning fun. I encourage questions and discussions in class.
That's awesome. Sometimes we feel shy to ask questions.
No need to be shy. Asking questions is how we learn and grow.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. We already feel better about this class.
I'm glad to hear that. I want all my students to feel comfortable and confident.
We're looking forward to your classes, Ms. Johnson.
Yes, can't wait to see what exciting things we'll learn with you.
I'm excited too. Let's make this a great year together.
Definitely. We're lucky to have such a nice teacher.
Agreed. Thanks for making us feel welcome, Ms. Johnson.
You're both welcome. Now, let's get started with today's lesson.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.